7 Sigma Off-Grid.
So we have a new battery, Power Queen, and we're going to do an unboxing to see what we have. Let's open it up. Let's open it up.
You didn't do anything, I said.
What?
I said our new friends over at Power Queen sent us this battery to test out. She said, forget all that. I'm going to do what I want to do.
Our new friends over at Power Queen sent us this battery so that we could test out. We do need a new battery for all the things that we need to get done on the homestead. So we're going to do an unboxing, and what do we have here? First of all, when you open it, the first thing that comes in the box is the starter kit. It's a quick start guide. Really cool. I like that. That's attention to detail.
Battery post here. It came there.
And you have a nice little bag here that you can reuse if you like. For us women, we like reusing these bags.
What, you gonna put in there? Makeup?
Yeah, we can put makeup and all kinds of stuff in here.
Toiletries.
We have a product manual. And lastly, ooh.
Stickers.
They give you stickers. Everybody loves stickers. That's so cool. Okay,
We
cool.
get to the battery now.
Okay, we can get to the battery now.
Comes in this nice little plastic rappity stuff. Can you grab that plastic? It's actually, oh, it's gonna be heavier. It's actually lightweight, which is good.
That's a nice
It's
battery.
gonna be super duper heavy.
Wow, that is nice.
You rotate it around.
And it's a 12.8 volt
12 volt, 100 amp hour.
lithium battery. And it comes with Bluetooth 5.0. And it has low temperature as well. This is the Smart Edition. Oh, so it is a smart battery.
It's smart. It's got brains.
And it also has a nice little handle here for your convenience so that you can carry it around wherever you need to carry it. And also, this comes with a charger. So
It didn't come with it. They sent us one.
oh, okay. Well, it doesn't come with it, but they did send us a charger. It doesn't come with a charger. They sent us a charger. In the charger, it does come with information about the charger as well.
A little charger user's manual.
So it gives you the product overview and all of that. So.
And this is the charger with the appropriate accessories
Cool.
to charge the battery.
Now, do you have to charge your battery before you use it?
I'm about to find out. Now I'm going to download the Power Queen app.
Why you gotta say it all?
Because it's a smart battery.
It's so corny.
Because I'm smart. Like the battery.
The battery's smart. You, on the other hand.
Take charge with your Bluetooth 5.0. Just scan the QR code, connect instantly, and monitor your battery's performance in real time, all from your phone, anytime, anywhere.
Ta-da!
All right.
Let's go see how this thing works.
Thank you, Power Queen. We are actually going to use this bad boy right now.
So we're going to take our Power Queen battery and put it in this nifty little battery box so we can transfer water from that tote to this tote using this wonderful Power Queen 12 volt 100 amp hour battery. Yeah, corny things.
Using the batteries for the pump.
The Power
Using
Queen.
The Power Queen.
Upside down.
The
But it's
Power
in there.
Queen. So we're using the Power Queen battery to charge the pump, right? So that the pump can pump the water from the tote to the other tote. So we're using the pump in there to pump the water from the IBC tote to the other tote down there. You do 50 gallons?
I'll do 50.
Oh, 50 to take out from there?
It's going to be 50 in each. Look at you.
Oh, shoot. No, look at you.
Introducing the Power Queen 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. With an advanced BMS, you get full protection against overcharge, over discharge, temperature extremes, and even automatic overload recovery. Backed by a 10-year lifespan and a 5-year warranty, this battery redefines reliability. Recharge fully in just 5 hours and enjoy worry-free power for all your off-grid needs. Power Queen, one battery built for all.
All right, guys, so we have utilized our Power Queen battery to pump. We've already used it and it works just fine. It is perfect, and we will be utilizing this. We just want to say thank you to Power Queen for the battery as well as the charger. We say thank you so much. And yeah, we will see you next time. Bye.
We're gonna use this in our greenhouse, our lights.
Definitely.
So we can see. Power Queen!
7 Sigma. Off-grid.